Regardless of how whack your sculpture might look, you are the backbone of the project. Don't let anyone make you feel otherwise. As a character artist, 2D or 3D, I can't overemphasize your importance to any project, be it be game development or animated movie series. The advice I have for you is very simple. Just make sure you put in serious effort into properly rigging your into properly rigging your character for your body of work to come out correct and dope. It is very important. To be honest, when I started out, I had lots of insecurities just like you do, because I lacked the confidence and I didn't believe in my craft. So I discovered that I started looking out for shortcuts and hard-on to speed up my project, just so that I could get the necessary validation from people. And that made me lack originality. It made my body of work to lack originality and made me to fall under the category of lazy animators that AI will eventually take their jobs. I see lots of animators in this category, which is quite unfortunate and bad for career growth. If you want to go far, I would advise you to reconsider your decisions as regards this. Here are some of the disadvantages of jumping on such offers. Lack of originality. It brings about lack of originality. A lot of all these free add-ons and models, they come with limited customization. And a very serious one we have here, copyright issues. These copyright issues are so serious in some countries that it might land you in jail. Please beware of it. And just like I said earlier, it will make you very lazy. And it won't allow you to have adequate skill development that you need to move on or to progress to the next phase of your career. It's not just about you posting some of the things that you did, some of the models or projects that you stole a lot of hard on by posting on your Instagram, your TikTok account, or your Facebook, just to get validation of your followers for them to like, share, and maybe probably drop a comment. No, that will never put food on your table. You need to skill up. You need to upscale your skills. Talking about that, I would advise you to also check out some of these YouTube channels where you can learn sculpturing properly, and you can also use these YouTube channels to level up your sculpturing skills. And if you like this honest moment of truth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.